Yes, hello everyone. This is Bilal Suleman from Worknsolution company. Today I'm gonna give you an introduction or overview of a new extension which name is Camel. Camel. Basically, you can say is a extension which you can use by yourself to see the different prices history on Amazon. So as prices online on Amazon change throughout the year. So same like that, you can install your extension by your own self, and you can just make a profile on that. You will get the email on that, and once you open email, this you can say URL in front of you, open it in front of you. So on this video I'm gonna give you overview what is this all about. So on the home page you have the option to check different prices as well. You can also look for the products, plus you can also put any product URL in the search bar. As you can see by your naked eyes in front of you, like home or Amazon products and different that. So I just choose a specific product for you guys. I just copy that specific product URL, and I just paste on the search bar. So you can see on the right side current price on Amazon right now in front of you. So there is a paragraph in which you can scroll down a little bit. As you can see that Amazon third party and all that in front of you. Now on the right side you can set the date range as well. Okay, date range as well, like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or all of that. And on the left side of that paragraph you can see the prices, and below it does shows different like year based price changes or not. So Amazon prices always appears green line which is in front of you. If you can press on that one, so you can see the prices fluctuating day by day, and right now it does sale on 11.75 pound. So and the third party color is blue, and the last one is red. You can see different prices as well, and if you can scroll down little bit you can see lowest and highest and current prices as well. As you can see Amazon, when May 2021 4.51, that's the lowest price Amazon offers, and the highest one is in November 26, 2022, 11.99. Now current is 11.75 December 6, 2022. And also third party new item, the people who sell out this product in a new basis. So you can also see by your naked eyes as well, and also use item as well. So in this now what I'm saying to you, in this below you can see the table breakdown as well. You can see different highest and lowest prices product is ever being available. This extension is help out to see the better chances to compare prices available on different stocks. So this is a good extension for you guys whenever you wanna do the business by yourself. You can see the prices by your naked eyes, and also you can see if you are a purchaser of this specific product, you can also see the price history, so you will be able to purchase it by your own self. So below that you can see the group product group is toy category, manufacturer, who's the manufacturer of that one, model, list price, SKU number, EN number, last updated scan. So if you want to see this product on Amazon, you can also do so. And that's a specific product in front of you which I'm looking for today. So this is the extension which show you different prices, history, and you will be able to see whether it is useful or not. And the dot line shows that like the price, the product is available or not in this specific time period. So you can put any random month, like if I want to see 6 months data or only the third party use items, so you can see the prices in front of you. And also if you want to see the Amazon selling right now in 11.75, so this is the prices check by yourself. And you can also see the buy box appears to the Amazon price. It means that Amazon have the buy box. So this is all about little extension for you guys. I hopeful it will be beneficial for you. Thank you so much.